I do now? I've got a way. Ah, here it is. Wow!
What's going on? Lilo!
The chicken just picked my hand.
Let me do it.
What is Stick planning to do?
Where's the egg S? I found it.
Aha!
What the heck? Oh no! I caught the egg. Help me! There, take it.
Oh my God! What do I do now?
The chicken is chasing me.
Thanks.
Oh no, the mother hen's coming. Help me!
Where's my noodles box? That's the ship that hit us.
What is going on?
Tung 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 tung.
You broke my fish tank.
Jumba?
Are you hungry? This is the best snack in the world. I have to go now. Goodbye. Do you want some chips too?
Jumba?
What's going on? What's happening to Cappuccino, Assassino, and Tun 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 Sahur?
He is a bad man.
No, he is a good person.
Really?
Let's go in and meet him.
Tung 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 sahur.
This is Stitch, and these are my friends. Wow. I give you this cookie. Wow. He sure eats a lot. He is hungry. I will give him this last cookie. Eat it, Stitch. Thank you, Stitch.
Get party!
Tung 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 sahur.
Oh no!
Yeah, boy.
Oh no!
Where are you going?
Hey!
Okay.
Okay.
Later.
Hello. Huh? Nani? Wow, cool. Hello, motherfucker. Help me! Help me! Help me!
Let's go!
Yes, sir!
Let's go!
Yes, sir!
I'm taking this flower to confess my undying love. Angel, you in there?
Who dares call my name?
Hello, Angel. These flowers are for you. Hope you like them.
My type, lots of them.
Wait, Angel. Looks like she thinks I'm just a big, ugly marshmallow. Aha! I can't do it. What is going on? Huh? Let's start training. Lilo. Too heavy. Too entangled.
Why are you so lazy to practice?
She thought badly of herself. Aha! New workout gear. Focus to punch more accurately. Wait, Angel! Please don't go away.
Come on, Lilo. We have to overcome this difficult challenge.
Looks so easy. I will get over it. Come on. Look at these muscles.
Oh shit!
Why can't I do that? Aha! What is going on?
Yes, I do.
Goodbye, Stitch.
Still not done, seriously. She snuck off to go shopping again. I've got to get to the store before Angel shows up.
going on? Are all the stores closed?
Angel is in front of me.
Looks so beautiful.
Why is Stitch pulling out duct tape?
Finally caught and tied up Angel. She can't go on shopping anymore. Goodbye, Angel. Hello, Angel. I'm back. She seems fine again. I give you a bouquet of flowers and a kiss. She doesn't look happy.
You have one order.
What is this?
Thank you.
How is she shopping when I already tied her up? Hey, Angel, is this what you ordered?
That's right. I bought them from the TVA.
Angel, you ordered things without telling me. What about me?
This is a gift I got for Stitch. Hey, Stitch, I have something special for you.
For me?
Yes.
Whoa!
A few moments later.
Oh no! Stitch is feeling angry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to make you angry.
Whoa!
Water won't stop the fire.
Let's leave here quickly. It's dangerous here.
My house is completely burned down.
Good.
This will help restore your home.
What just happened? What? My bread is wet. Lilo is the culprit behind this. Toss the rope up so I can get up there.
What is this?
All right, up the rope we go. Who is laughing? I'm gonna pop that flying balloon.
Seriously, the balloon just popped on its own. I can't believe it. This place is haunted. Wait a second. Someone's causing this on purpose.
Nani?
Hey, you! Stop!
This flower is for you.
Thank you so much, Stitch.
Whoa!
No one can steal my apples anymore. Who are you?
Tung 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 sahur.
Stay away from this apple tree now.
Tung sahur.
Tung 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 tung.
Unforgivable.
sahur.
Hey, give it back.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes!
Let's go. Don't worry.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hours later.
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, you! Stop!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Don't just stand there. Help me. Okay.
sahur.
Huh?
Hey, you!
Oh no!
What? Uh-huh. Okay.
Where are you going?
Hey, you! Oh shit, not good.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Hello!
What?
Hey!
No. No.
What the fuck?
What?
Tung 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 sahur. Nani?
Where are you going?
Oh no!
I love you.
Oh,
Anybody home?
Hey there, Stitch and Lilo.
Trick or treat?
Such good kids. Big sister's got some treats for you.
What? All the candies vanished.
So delicious.
Stitch, did you eat all my candy?
I'm sorry.
There's no forgiving you this time. Stitch.
Lilo, look, that shiny house over there must be packed with candy.
Let's go, Stitch.
I am so scared.
Get out.
I'm sorry. Let's go, Lilo.
This place is so beautiful. You pick the right door, and I'll go left. Too much candy? I like it very much. Sure, Stitch impersonation.
Oh shit, not good.
As expected. I look forward to it.
There is a real ghost behind you.
What's going on here? What is that?
What's going on?
Get out of the way!
Captain Gantu.
Stop right there!
Stop.
I said get out of the way! Oh no! Stop right there!
Ouch.
Hey.
Oh my god. Hey, honey.
What?
Oh no.
Why would you bring garbage home? Stitch. Everything is your fault.
But Angel, this bag isn't trash.
Stitch, why is there so much money?
We're rich.
Yes, yes.
Give me the money back.
All right. Just calm down.
Stop! You're under arrest! Come with me!
Now.
All the money's gone.
Thank you for your help!
No problem.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear you well.
Oh, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm sorry.
Huh. Okay.
Hey! Stop around you!
Goodbye.
What? Let's go!
Oh no! Stop around you!
I am so scared.
Nice.
Help me!
Come on, you can do it. Aha!
Wow!
Thank you! Stop! Stand there!
I'm sorry.
Goodbye.
What? I love you too.
Whoa!
Aha!
Yes!
What? Stitch forgot his phone.
What happened?
Wait, Angel, it's not how it looks.
It's okay.
Oh, baby.
What happened to Stitch?
Huh? Nope.
You got scammed, Stitch. We will come up with a plan to expose Ruben.
You tricked me.
Sorry.
Huh?
I forgive you.
Oh my God!
God, please, no! No! La 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 la. La 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 la. What's happening over there?
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Lilo the Magician. Get ready for an amazing performance.
Wow.
Let's go take a look.
Wow.
Thank you for watching my performance.
Look over there.
Oh no, where's my magic wand?
Huh?
Hi, here's your cake.
Thank you.
Huh?
Hand it back to me.
No, it's mine.
It hurts so much. Oh
Nani?
It's so dangerous. Welcome, dear audience. I am Stitch, the master of magic.
Oh no! I'm finally back to normal. Stitch, you'll pay for this.
Red alert! Nani?
Give it to me.
No, I don't want to give it to you.
I'm really angry. I will take iron board to burn you.
Stay away from me.
As expected.
Something is wrong. First is the container. The second is raw materials. Final processing. Something fishy here.
As expected.
We need to have that switch.
I look forward to it.
What happened?
What is going on?
What's going on here? At ease.
I have to kill him.
Good.